How to add watermark in YouCut. First of all, open the YouCut app and select a video in which you want to add a watermark from your gallery. Once the video loads on the timeline, look for the sticker option in the bottom menu and tap on it. Next, tap on the sticker tab. From there, select the plus icon to add a custom image from your device. Here, you can choose the watermark image or logo you want to add. Make sure the image is in PNG format with a transparent background for the best result. After selecting the image, adjust its position by dragging it to your preferred corner of the video. Most people place it in the bottom right. You can also resize the watermark by pinching in or out using two fingers. Now, if you want the watermark to stay visible throughout the entire video, tap on the watermark layer and choose the duration options. Set it to match the full length of your video so that it appears from start to finish. Finally, tap Save at the top right corner and choose your preferred resolution to export the video with the watermark added. And that's it. Now you know how to add watermark in YouCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.